Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Muhammad Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher English, Orinaran Furzayu Senior Fazil Madrasa, Manohardin Narsandi. Dear student, now I am going to take a class on tech question. Dear student, some of you also have said tech question take. You can say, it's not a matter. But if we go about this tech question, firstly we have to remember that there are so many rules about tech question. As we have no so much time to discuss all the rules, so I am going to take some example of specific rules. Dear student, firstly we have to know, and we also know that if the main sentence is affirmative, then tech question will be negative. This is the main rules. If the main sentence is in affirmative, then we have to follow the structure 1. That is auxiliary verb plus NT plus pronoun plus note of interrogation. As for example, we can say, he is a good boy. This is an affirmative sentence. As it is an affirmative sentence, so we should make it tech question by following structure 1. That is, firstly we have to take auxiliary verb, secondly we have to take NT, and thirdly we have to take he, and then note of interrogation. Dear student, in this sentence we have seen that here is auxiliary verb or to be verb is, here we have taken is, and then we have taken NT, that is the rules of structure. Then we have taken subject he or pronoun he. If the subject becomes pronoun, then we should take the pronoun here. And when the subject may be without pronoun, then we should take the pronoun of the subject. Dear student, now we can go to rule number 2. In rule number 2, we can say that if the main sentence is in negative, then tech question will be affirmative. In this structure we can follow these rules. That is, if the main sentence is in affirmative, then the tech question will be negative, thus as auxiliary verb plus pronoun plus note of interrogation. As for example, we can say, he is not a good boy. He is not a good boy. In this sentence, we have found that there is a not, which indicates in negative. As the sentence is in negative, so tech question will be affirmative. And we should follow these rules. The rules is that firstly auxiliary verb is, here is, and secondly pronoun, here is pronoun he, here he, and thirdly we have to take question mark, that is note of interrogation. So we can say that he is not a good boy, and its tech question is he, and you should take an underline under the tech question. Under the tech question. Dear student, these two rules is about when the verb will be auxiliary, to be, to do, or to have, or modal auxiliary. When you will not get all these kinds of verb, that is auxiliary, to be, to do, or to have, then how we will do its tech question. In this subject, or in this matter you should remember that here is some specific rules which is maintained in simple interrogative. In this structure, we also follow the before structure, but here we should remember that if we find after subject the present form of verb, and after present form of verb there is s or es. If there remain s or es, then we should take firstly does, secondly nt, which is said before, and thirdly pronoun he. Dear student, before some minutes we have known that if we find any kind of subject which is noun, then we should take its pronoun. Here we have found Rohim, it is a name. As it is a name, so we should take its pronoun he. Secondly, in present indefinite tense, if we don't find any or s or es after verb, then we should take do. After then nt, then pronoun such as we, then root of interrogation. As for example, we can say completely, we go to Dhaka. We go to Dhaka. Its take question is, don't we go to Dhaka? Or don't we? Dear student. And in this matter, if we find any past form of verb in any sentence, then we should take its take question by taking did. Firstly we should take did, then nt, then pronoun of the subject, or if the subject may be pronoun, then we should take this pronoun, and then root of interrogation. Thus as they went to market, didn't they? Dear student, now we can come rules number 3. In rules number 3, we can say that if we find letters in main sentence, then we should take question shall we, then note of interrogation. So it is so much easy. You have to remember that if we find in any sentence letters or lets, then we should follow by the rules shall we. After that question mark. Then we can come rules number 4. In rule number 4, we can say that if we find in any kind of sentence or in any statement this, then we should take the pronoun of this it. The structure will be followed that is gone before. That is, first we have to take auxiliary verb is, here is, and then nt, because the statement is affirmative, and then the pronoun of this it, then note of interrogation. We can say this is a university, isn't it? Then we can come rule number 5. In rule number 5, we can say so many speeds. The first one is, if we find in any kind of sentence the pronoun name, and that indicates any kind of male, not female, then we should take the pronoun of male he. Thus as Rana is a good student or Rana is a student. We can take its take question isn't he. We have taken here he because the subject is Rana and it indicates to a male student, not female student. Then we can also say, if we find in any kind of statement the name which indicates female, then we have to take the pronoun she. Thus as Rima is a student. Rima may be one kind of girl. For this reason, we have taken here she, not he. The take question of Rima is a student is isn't he. Isn't he. Then we can say that if we find in any sentence any kind of lower animal, that can we say in Bengali itor prani, then we have to take its take question by taking the pronoun is it. Thus as the cat drinks milk. Here we can write doesn't eat. Doesn't eat. Because the cat is an inanimate subject or it is a lower animal. For this reason we have taken the pronoun of cat eat. Then we can go rule number 6. In rule number 6 we can say, if any sentence we can find any kind of subject that is indicate in singular number and it is an inanimate object or lower animal, then we have to take its pronoun it, because it indicates a singular noun, the bird, not birds. Thus as the bird is flying, its take question is isn't it, not isn't they or aren't they. And when the subject will be plural, then we have to take its pronoun they. Thus as the birds are flying. In this sentence, the birds, this indicates a plural number. As indicates it's a plural number, so we have to take in they, not it, he or she. Then we can come rule number 7. In rule number 7, if we find in any sentence or any statement everyone, everybody, no one, nobody, then we should take its pronoun they, because we should take everybody, everyone, nobody, no one, its pronoun they. Thus as everyone loves flower, don't they, not he or she. Then we can come rule number 8. In these rules, we can say that if we find in any sentence there is, there are, then we have to take its pronoun this, there is or there are in the take question. Thus as there is a mosque in our village. Its take question is isn't there, not isn't it, because as we find or when we find in any kind of sentence there or here, then we have to take it as a pronoun or subject. So isn't there, not isn't it, or isn't he, or isn't she. Dear student, there are also so many rules in take question, but in one class we cannot finish all the rules. As we cannot finish all the rules in a class, so today we have to finish our class. Before finishing my class, I am going to say that as corona pandemic is spread all over the world, so you should keep well in your house, in your home, because we know that if we stay home, then we can stay safe.